He's like, it was my first time up the stairs.
He's like making short work of it.
Yay, Alex! Good boy! He's like, I'm not even 11 months old.
Come on, let's go.
Say, Dada, move your arm.
One more.
I got it.
You tired? You done? Well, I'm stuck. I made it this far.
Hi. You got it, buddy.
Get that.
Hi, I'm watching you, Beba. He's like, I got it, Dada. I alternate my feet. Hi. Oops. Mama still sees you. Are you touching him?
Nope.
Hi, baby. I see you. Oh, you see Cade?
I'm gonna conquer this.